Welcome, sports fans. DocSports.com on the football weekend of November 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th, and 14th. I'm your host, Mike Davis. Stick around. I have a free selection coming up for you in just a moment. I tell you what, absolutely rocking and rolling in football right now. 67% in the National Football League for a profit of well over $4,800. 13-5 running football overall for a profit of $4,860. 5-pack of winners will be released today on this Thursday at 6 p.m. Make sure you grab them right here at DocSports.com. I have two big plays in the NFL, a 7-unit selection, a 6-unit selection, and two other 4-unit selections coming this week in the NFL. Again, 67% in the National Football League this year, and we have 4 big selections in the National Football League this weekend. Also have a huge college football play, a big 6-unit college football play coming off a 6-unit game of the year winner last week as we had Alabama and they win 10-0. So absolutely seeing the board extremely well in football right now, and we have a big 5-pack of winners for you this weekend. Your free selection comes to you from the National Football League. It's about that time. It's the Pittsburgh Steelers, number 272 in your program. Listed at right around -2.5 right now. Let me grab an updated line. Yeah, 2.5 right now as I do this video on Thursday. But the Pittsburgh Steelers are -2.5. You very rarely see the Pittsburgh Steelers have 2 bad games in a row. That's what we've seen so far. But you very rarely see Ben Roethlisberger have 2 bad games in a row. And he won't. He will play well this weekend versus the Dallas Cowboys. The Cowboys are banged up in the secondary. Make no mistake about it. They are America's team, and they are playing some good football this season. But you have 2 rookies going on the road at Pittsburgh. Mike Tomlin will have his guys ready. Can Dak do it once again? Or will he show some of that rust that he showed for 3 quarters at home versus Philadelphia a couple of weeks ago? We shall see. But I like the Pittsburgh Steelers to bounce back in a huge way. The number 272 in your program. That's a 4:25 kickoff on Sunday. I look for the Steelers to beat Dallas and beat them fairly handily. Double-digit win possibly in this one. I like the Pittsburgh Steelers, number 272. Big Ben Roethlisberger bounces back. They get the running game going. Dallas is banged up in the secondary. You'll see a big game from Big Ben, and you will see the Dallas Cowboys get their second loss of the season. Pittsburgh Steelers, number 272, as your free selection. Big football card this weekend, rocking and rolling in football. 5 big plays, including a 7-unit NFL selection, a 6-unit NFL selection, and a 6-unit college football selection. Make sure you grab them right here at DocSports.com. Everybody have a great and profitable weekend.